Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how you can block websites on iPhone. Please write comments. Please watch this video to the end. Let's get started. Go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad, then open Screen Time. Here we scroll down to the bottom and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. We have to activate this feature. Now click on Content Restrictions. Enter the password that we came up with when we entered Screen Time. Here we click on Web Content, and then we can select the restrictions. We can set a limit. Click on Add Website. Write any website that we want to block. Let's say, for example, I write google.com. Click OK. And now when I go into Safari, google.com, I see that I'm going in again. Look, I'm showing you. It shows up right away that this site is restricted. So now we can't access it. So this is a simple way to block, to restrict some websites on iPhone. If you want to delete it, you do this and delete. And then you go and refresh the page and look at Google again. I have it out once again. Go here. And here you go. It works. And now we can enter it. This is a simple way you can block the website on the iPhone. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes if you liked and helped the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.